Hello friends, my name is Shruti Madhav Hadule and today I would like to tell you more information about adjectives. So I start. So firstly, let's learn what are the adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that are used to describe noun or pronoun. They tell us more information about the noun. So while remembering the adjectives, we can say adjectives as the describing words. They describe the noun in the sentence and they tell more information about the noun. So this is what adjectives are. Adjectives are divided into many types. There are 8 types. So let's see the first two types of firstly the two types of adjective. First is the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means adjective of quality. Just a second. Adjective of quality shows the kind of quality a person or a thing has. It shows that what qualities does the person or thing have. Like here the example is Delhi is a big city. In this, Delhi is a big city. Means we can say that Delhi is a city. But how is Delhi? Delhi is a big city. So here the main highlight is the word big. Big shows more information about city. So yes, city is city is a noun here and it shows more information about it, and big is an adjective, but it shows a quality of a city, of a place, that yes, this city is a big city, and hence we can say that big is an adjective of quality. Now let's have a look at adjective of quantity. So what are adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity show how much of a thing is meant. Means as the name suggests, quantity means how much. So it actually we can remember that the adjective of the quantity answers the question how much. How much is something? Like I got some rice. I got some rice. Here some means I got rice. But how much do I got? I got some rice. So here some shows that how much rice is meant. Rice is meant some rice. So hence we can say that some is an adjective of quantity. Now let's have a check at a next third type of adjective. The third type of adjective is the adjective of number. As the name suggests, adjective of number means how many person or thing are meant and in which order a person or thing stands. So here, adjective of number are divided into two types. Firstly, the ordinal and the cardinal numbers. So, ordinal means that show a number and cardinal means that show the position. So let's see. The example is our hand has 5 fingers. Here, our hand has 5 fingers. So we can say that our hand has fingers. But how much fingers our hand has? Yes, it has 5 fingers. So it shows a particular number. We don't say I have some fingers. If it was some, then it should be adjective of quantity. But here it is 5. It shows the exact number and hence it is adjective of number. The next example is of a cardinal. Today is first day of the month. Today is a first day of the month. Means today is the first day. Means today is the day of the month. We can say that. But first shows more information about the day. That yes, this day is the first day of the month. And hence we can say that first is a adjective of number. Now let's go to the fourth type of adjective, that is the demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives they answer the question which is the most important. Like there is a sentence, I love such places. I love such places means which places do you love? I love such places. So here the demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. So whenever we get a sentence, just try to ask the question by which. If it gives the answer, then we can say that it is a demonstrative adjective, and if doesn't, then it's not. Now, let's check for the next type of adjective, that are interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective, as the name suggests, interrogation. What does interrogation means? To ask questions. So interrogation means to ask questions. So what, which, whose, when, they are all used with noun to ask questions. So like, whose pen is this? So here noun is the pen. Pen is the noun. So it is used with the noun. The first condition satisfies. Now it asks questions like, whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? So this is a question. So the adjectives that are used to ask questions is known as interrogative adjectives. Now let's go. To the next type of adjectives. So the next type of adjectives are the possessive adjectives. So what are possessive adjectives? They are the adjectives that show possession. What means how much is someone's possession? Possession means ownership. Means possessive adjective shows the ownership. Like, let's take an example. She is my wife. Here, she is my wife. Here the my word shows that she is my wife. It is telling more information about wife, that she is my wife. So here it shows the possession, and hence we can say that my is a possessive adjective. We can say that this is your book. Here your shows the possession. Your here means your shows the possession, that this is yours book only. It is not someone else. This is yours. It shows the possession. It shows the ownership, and hence it is possessive adjective. Now let's go to the next type of adjective, that is the exclamatory adjective. So we already know what are the exclamatory words. The words which show a strong emotion. The words which show strong emotions are called as exclamatory words. Like, it can be sad, happy, anything. Let's take an example. What a genius. What a genius. So here, genius. Yes, he is a genius. But what a genius. It says more about a genius. That yes, he is brilliantly genius. Because here what is used to show that he is genius of genius. It shows the it describes the genius word. So sometimes what can also be used as an exclamatory adjectives. This is one of the example where what can be used as an exclamatory adjective. Now let's see what are the emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives, as the name suggests, it means emphasize, means give pressure on something. So we can say that this is the noun, and the word that gives pressure on the noun, that emphasize the noun, or the adjectives that emphasize the noun, is called as the emphasizing adjective. Let's take an example. Mind your own business. Means we can say that mind your business, but here own business means business is the noun, but it emphasizes more on the business by using the word own. So here own is an emphasizing adjective because it emphasizes that noun, that mind your business, but mind your own business. That shows the emphasizement on the noun. That shows the pressure on the noun, that own, mind your own business. And hence we can say that own is an emphasizing adjectives. So these were the 8 types of adjectives that we saw. Okay friends, thank you. I hope you all understood about emphasizing adjectives. Thank you.